Hi kids, how are you today? I hope everyone is safe and healthy out there. In the previous lesson, you have learned about seasons around the world. So today, we are going to learn about the seasons in Malaysia. What do you think? Does Malaysia have four seasons like Canada and Australia? Or is Malaysia like Thailand, which has three seasons? So, keep your answer and we will check your answer after this. Let me show you. This is the equator, the northern hemisphere, and the southern hemisphere. These are the three countries: Canada on the northern hemisphere, Australia on the southern hemisphere, and Thailand on the northern hemisphere but 15 degrees above the equator. Where is Malaysia? Can you find Malaysia? Is Malaysia near Canada? Is Malaysia near to Australia? Is Malaysia near to Thailand? Are you ready to know where Malaysia is? Yes, Malaysia is here. Malaysia is here. So, Thailand is our neighboring country. This is Malaysia, lying just north of the equator. Malaysia is composed of two non-contiguous regions: Peninsular Malaysia, also called West Malaysia, which is on the Malay Peninsula, and East Malaysia, which is on the island of Borneo. Our neighboring countries are Brunei, Singapore, Thailand, Vietnam, Indonesia, and the Philippines. As Malaysia is located near the equator, Malaysia's climate is categorized as equatorial, being hot and humid throughout the year. So, Malaysia doesn't have four seasons as in Canada and Australia. Malaysia has two seasons: wet season and dry season. Wet season in Malaysia, also known as northeast monsoon, which starts from November to March. Dry season in Malaysia is also known as southwest monsoon. The southwest monsoon usually occurs between May till September. There are more rainfall during wet season, and lesser rainfall during dry season. As Malaysia is located near the equator, Malaysia has two seasons, the wet season and dry season. The weather in Malaysia is warm, so the people wear t-shirts, shorts, and track pants to keep them cool. The famous activities during the dry season are snorkeling and diving. Here are some new vocabularies you have learned when we get to know about Malaysia. Wet season. Repeat after me. Wet season. During the wet season, Malaysia receives more rainfall. It causes floods in some areas. Dry season. Repeat after me. Dry season. During the dry season, it is hot and sunny, and occasionally rain. Warm. Repeat after me. Warm. The weather in Malaysia is warm, not too hot or not too cold. Snorkeling. Repeat after me. Snorkeling. Snorkeling is one of the famous activities during the dry season as the water is clear. Diving. Repeat after me. Diving. Diving also one of the famous activity during dry season. T-shirt. Repeat after me. T-shirt. Track pants. Repeat after me. Track pants. Shorts. Repeat after me. Shorts. T-shirts, track pants, and shorts can help you keep cool under hot weather. It's time to do some exercises. Task 1. Write about Malaysia. In this task, I want you to write about Malaysia in your exercise book. You may pause this video to copy this task. Now, we have come to the end of the lesson. Stay safe and healthy at all times. Thank you and goodbye.